Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go with the question. Lianna plays a card game in which she gets 5 points for every red card she draws, but loses 10 points for every black card she draws. By the end of the game, Lianna drew 7 times as many red cards as black cards for a final total of 75 points. How many red cards did she draw during the game? Okay, let me assume that Lianna drew X number of black cards. Let me write. So, number of black cards will be X. Then what could be the number of red cards? So let's consider the particular information we have over here. She drew 7 times as many red cards as black cards. Already we have assumed that X represents the number of black cards. Then the number of red cards will be 7x according to this information, because 7 times the number of black cards equals to number of red cards. And also the first information says she gets 5 points for every red cards. For one red card, she is getting 5 points. Then how many points will she be getting for 7x number of red cards? For that, we have to multiply the number of red cards, 7x by the number of points she is getting for one red card, that is 5. So 7x times 5. And for one black card, she loses 10 points. Then how many points she will lose for X number of black cards? For that, the same logic, we have to multiply the number of black cards and the number of points she loses for one black card, that is 10. Since she loses 10 points, we have to take this 10 as negative 10. Then I'm getting positive X times the number of black cards times the number of points is losing for one black card, that is negative 10. So this gives a total points at the end. So according to the information, she has a total point of 75 points at the end. Then it has to be equal to 75. Now let's do some simplification over here. 7 times 5 is 35, that is 35x. So here positive times negative is negative. X times 10 is 10x equals to 75. When I simplify this one, I am getting 25x equals to 75. Then I divide both sides by 25 to solve for x. When I divide both sides by 25, this 25 will cancel. I'm getting x equals to 75 divided by 25 is 3. Okay, now I got the value of x, that is 3. That is x represents the number of black cards. That is she drew 3 black cards. And to get the number of red cards, we have to plug in x equals to 3 over here. When I do so, 7 times 3, which is equal to 21 cards. According to the question, we have to find the number of red cards Lianna drew during the game. She drew 21 red cards during the game.